Hey guys, so right now I'm about to sing Scars to the Beautiful, so let's get right into this video. You guys will not be looking at me, you guys will just be listening, okay? So enjoy. And please comment down below if you want more of this. Here we go. She just wants to be beautiful, she goes unnoticed, she knows no limits, she craves attention, she praises an image she prays to be sculpted by the sculptor. Oh, she don't see the light that's shining deeper than the eyes can find it. Baby, we were made of fire, so she tries to cover up the pain and cut her walls away. Cover girls don't cry till their face is made. What? There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to say anything, the world can change its heart. No scars, see you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. And you don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart. We're stars and we're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. She just dreams to be envy so sweet. Certain, cover girls, no limits, she cries. Beauty is better than the beauty in everything. With a little bit of hunger, I can go a little while longer. She fades away, they don't see the big pics, she don't understand. She's worth it, but that beauty girl's deeper than the surface. Oh, to all the girls that's hurting, let me be your mirror. Let you see a little bit clearer. The light that shines within, there's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart. Those guys say you're beautiful, we're stars and we're beautiful. Oh, 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 oh. And you don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart. Those guys say you're beautiful, we're stars and we're beautiful. No better you than you are. No better you than you. No better life than the life we live in. No better life than the life we live. No better time than to shine your star. Oh, you're beautiful. Oh, you're beautiful. In the dark, you should know you're beautiful just the way you are. And you don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart. We're stars to you're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. Oh, oh, oh. And you don't have to change a thing, the world can change its heart. We're stars and we're beautiful. We're stars and we're beautiful. No. Sorry about that, guys. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.